Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for our overall health and well-being: strong bones and joints. Did you know that what you eat plays a significant role in maintaining your health? That's right. So, in this video, we're going to explore 20 amazing foods that you should incorporate into your daily diet for stronger bones and joints. Let's get started. 1. Dairy products. First up, we have dairy products. Rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are essential for maintaining bone density and strength. Aim for low-fat options to keep your bones healthy without the excess fat. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Next on our list are green leafy vegetables such as kale, spinach, and broccoli. Packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, these veggies support bone mineralization and help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 3. Fatty fish. Moving on to fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines. These are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate joint pain and stiffness. 4. Nuts and seeds. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Walnuts, almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in calcium, magnesium, and omega-3s, making them perfect for promoting bone and joint health. 5. Oranges. Oranges and other citrus fruits are not just delicious, they're also loaded with vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that forms the structure of bones, cartilage, and connective tissues, keeping your joints strong and flexible. 6. Eggs. Eggs are another fantastic food for strong bones and joints. They're a great source of protein, vitamin D, and phosphorus, all of which contribute to bone health and repair. 7. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and black beans are packed with nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and protein. Incorporating these into your diet can help improve bone density and support overall joint function. 8. Yogurt. Yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, is not only delicious, but also beneficial for your bones and joints. It's high in calcium, protein, and probiotics, which can enhance bone strength and reduce inflammation in the joints. 9. Lean meats. Lean meats like chicken and turkey provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients like zinc and iron, which support bone health and repair. Just remember to opt for lean cuts to keep your fat intake in check. 10. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including magnesium and selenium. These nutrients play a vital role in bone metabolism and can help prevent bone loss over time. 11. Tahini. Tahini, made from ground sesame seeds, is a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Adding tahini to your meals or snacks can provide a flavorful boost while also supporting your bone and joint health. 12. Seaweed. Seaweed, like nori, wakame, and kombu, is not only a staple in Asian cuisine but also a powerhouse of nutrients. It's loaded with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, making it a fantastic addition to your diet for strong bones and joints. 13. Turmeric. Turmeric, known for its vibrant color and earthy flavor, contains a compound called curcumin, which boasts potent anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating turmeric into your cooking or enjoying it as a tea can help alleviate joint pain and stiffness. 14. Prunes. Prunes, or dried plums, are not only sweet and delicious, but also rich in antioxidants and vitamin K. Studies have shown that prunes can help improve bone density and reduce the risk of fractures, making them a perfect snack for strong bones and joints. 15. Avocados. Avocados are not just trendy, they're also incredibly nutritious. Packed with monounsaturated fats, potassium, and vitamin E, avocados support joint health by reducing inflammation and promoting tissue repair. 16. Bok choy. Bok choy, a type of Chinese cabbage, is a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to bone health. It's loaded with calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin K, all of which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. 17. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. These nutrients help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, which can benefit both your bones and joints. 18. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a convenient and tasty snack that's also great for your bones and joints. They're rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, all of which contribute to bone strength and flexibility. 19. Garlic. Garlic isn't just for adding flavor to your meals, it also offers numerous health benefits. It contains compounds like allicin, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and stiffness. 20. Dark chocolate. Last but not least, we have dark chocolate. Not only is it a delicious treat, but it's also rich in antioxidants and magnesium, which support bone health and may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis. And there you have it, 20 amazing foods for strong bones and joints that you should incorporate into your daily diet. Remember, maintaining bone and joint health is essential for overall well-being, so make sure to include these nutritious foods in your meals regularly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.